back to my channel, our siblings channel, and for today's video, ito yung most requested na what's inside my bag. Actually, I'm not prepared for this, pero sige, try natin. So, una, perfume. Siyempre, kailangan to. Alam mo naman, bumabiyahe tayo. So, diba? Of course, may phone. Kailangan din to, syempre. May comb. Ang laki ng comb kasi, nalagas yung buhok ko pag sobrang nipis yung comb ko. So, kailangan malaki. Try nyo, guys. So, of course, may pouch. Bubuksan ko pa ba? O, sige, buksan ko na. So, inside this, charger. Siyempre, it's essential because my phone's battery is getting Then, power bank, of course, is essentials. And my 2 earphones. Ayun lang. Sige, balik ko na. Meron pa ba? You know, laging malaki ang bag ko. Fact yun. Kasi, best friend ako ni Doraemon. Charot! Siyempre, ayoko nung masikip pag may hinahanap ako. So, pasok na ako ng pasok. Of course, wives, sa panahon ngayon, we need this kasi, you know naman, may inaalagaan tayong health. Of course, alcohol, hindi rin mawawala yun sa akin. Of course, yun nga, mask. Kasi yung, alam niya naman ng trend ngayon. Of course, may pouch. Alam mo, sobrang tagal ko hinanap to, tong pandang to. Coin purse. Then, of course, wallet. Hindi ko nabubuksan ng wallet ko kasi puro ID lang naman. Okay, tapos, of course, my solution kasi I have a poor eyesight. That's why I need to, bring this one for my contact lenses. Of course, ito, makeup. Ito lang, dala ko lagi. Deep tint. Then, yun lang. Hindi na ako masyadong nagdadala ng kahit ano kasi. Yun lang. That's all. Thank you. For more suggestions, just comment down below kung anong gusto nyong gawin natin. Bye! Hi guys! Welcome to the channel of my mom!
Hindi. To our channel. Channel mo ba? Siblings channel. So. Daliba Musika channel, di ba?
Game na.
Okay.
For more, kailangan, gusto ko malaki bag kasi, syempre,